Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the default title and description to your videos on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should scroll down in the left side column of the screen and tap on Settings. Here, tap on Channel Status and Features in the middle of the screen in the Your Channel section. And after that, you should tap on Upload Defaults in the left side column of this Settings section. Tap on Basic Info, and here you can set the title that describes your video. So that will be your default title, so type it in. And you can also add the description, so tell viewers about your video. So type in your description. Here you can select visibility such as public, private or unlisted, and then you can add tags. And if you are done with adding all this information, click on the save button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.